Hello and welcome back to Gags Kitchen. Today we are making easy and delicious red velvet cupcakes topped with smooth classic buttercream frosting. These little beauties are so much easier to bake than a full cake, yet just as soft, moist and satisfying, perfect for parties or a quick festive treat. So let's get started and whip up these delicious red velvet cupcakes. Take a bowl and add 2 eggs. Add a 1/4 cup of any vegetable oil, a tablespoon of vanilla extract, and 2 tablespoons of curd. Whisk everything until nicely combined. Now place a strainer over the bowl and add your dry ingredients. 1/2 cup all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, and 1/2 cup powdered sugar, and shift them in. Add 1½ tablespoons of cocoa powder through the sieve as well. Mix everything together until the batter is smooth and fully combined. Next, add 5 to 6 drops of red food color to give the cupcakes their classic red velvet color and mix well. You can adjust the intensity of the color to your likings. Your cupcake batter is now ready. Now let's line the cupcake molds on the baking tray. I'm using paper cup liners. Fill each liners halfway or add about 3 tablespoons of batter into each one. Once filled, gently tap the tray to release any air bubbles. Bake in preheated oven at 100 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. Our cupcakes are ready. You can check if they are cooked by inserting a toothpick. If it comes out clean, it's done. If not, bake them for a few more minutes. Let the cupcakes cool completely. Moving on to the frosting, take 1/2 cup softened butter. Mine is a bit more than softened since it was kept near the oven, but it's fine, we can fix it later. Blend the butter until it's creamy. Take 1 cup of powdered sugar and add half of it first. Blend on low speed so sugar does not scatter. Then increase the speed and mix until the butter becomes creamy and well combined. Once smooth, add the remaining half of the sugar and blend again until the frosting turns light, smooth, and fluffy. I like to keep the frosting in the fridge for about 5 minutes at this stage. It helps it firm up and makes it easier to pipe later. After chilling for 5 minutes, add the final 1/2 cup of sugar and blend until you have a perfectly smooth, airy buttercream. Your frosting is now ready, stable, creamy, and ideal for piping. You can keep it plain or add a pop of color. For a fun swirl, I'm dividing the frosting, taking a small portion into a separate bowl and leaving the remaining frosting in an original bowl. I'm taking 2 to 3 drops of red food color only to the larger portion and blending it for a few seconds to get a nice, vibrant shade. Our cupcakes are completely cooled. You can trim the tops for a flat finish or leave them as they are. Well, nothing goes waste here. These trimmed off cupcake pieces can be crushed and used as a pretty sprinkle on top of your cupcakes. Or you can even use them to make a mini jar cake. Take a piping bag with any nozzle you like. Add the white frosting on one side. And the red frosting on the other side. I'm adding a little more of the red frosting because I prefer fewer white streaks and a stronger red. However, if you want an equal balance of both the colors or more white, you can adjust the quantities to suit your preference. Close the bag, gently press the frosting down, squeeze out a little to get both the colors flowing, and then pipe onto the cupcakes in any design you love. And that is it. Add your favorite sprinkles. I'm using coated sugar, and you are done. My cute little red velvet cupcakes are ready to enjoy. Hope you tried this simple cupcake recipe. Stay tuned and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing recipes. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in next one.